So we're finally here inside the Jollibee. Okay. So let's take our order here. So dito tayo pasok. So tingnan natin ano yung magkakatulad at magkakaiba sa Jollibee in the Philippines and in Hong Kong. Hi guys! Chicken ulit tayo.
Chicken.
Chicken?
Rice.
Wala mang rice. There's no rice here. There's no rice here. Huh? But there's no rice. Wala rice.